Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change default save location for documents, music, pictures, videos in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Click Change where new content is saved. New documents will be saved to C or D or any other drive. New music, photos, and movies will be saved to C or D or any other drive. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.